Hello, Nick. This is Nick, and this is your Laboratory 2 Minutes. The topic that we're going to talk about today is basically cleaning your materials. And so what you want to do is you want to have a beaker or something like this. You're going to fill up your beaker with a little bit of water. Okay, here's your water, and add a drop or two of your solution. Now what you want to do is make sure that your forceps and everything else are free of corrosion, so there's not a lot of stuff on there. You just put it in there. This guy here, again, you can use water and rinse them off or whatever. And then basically what you want to do is you have a little bit of soapy water, that foam in there, and if you just let it sit for about 5 minutes or so, you want the soap itself to do the work. So it's a chemical reaction where the soap is working with this. But what really cleans off your material is basically rinsing it. So when you have your guys over here, you're just going to rinse them off real good by doing a count to 15 seconds, and basically that's done. If you really want to do rinse, you will use distilled water and do the final rinse with distilled water, and then your forceps are very clean. Okay, it's very critical that you do that final rinse, because otherwise you may have some salts or acids on your material. This soap will affect your reaction, so you don't want to have any of that soap left. So it's very critical that you rinse everything off kind of really good, and that you don't have any of the foam. If you look, we got a lot of foam in here, but normally it's 3 rinses that you would do and see no foam. Okay, you want to do at least those 3 rinses. Also, we want to look at the sink. That looks like the sink is plugged up. If it's like that, tell your instructor, and so they will unplug it. Again, that's been your Laboratory 2 Minutes, and this has been a quick way to clean. Happy washing dishes.